Severe storms are on the rise. Powerful winds, heavy rain, and flooding have caused billions of dollars in damage. But these storms don't always happen in the places you think. Predicting dangerous weather is necessary in understanding how we should be prepared. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, held a Hurricane Preparedness Week event on May 4th at Reagan National Airport to share their role in analyzing weather and letting the public know how they can be ready for when severe weather strikes, even in places like Maryland.
If you go back to 2017 through 2021, we've had more Category 4 and 5 landfalls than we did from 1963 to 2016. So you look back at this period of time, it's been incredibly active.
Collecting data is a critical part of analyzing hurricanes. Planes like the one behind me flying to hurricanes to get that information.
Throughout the storm, we're getting temperature, winds, dew point. We are dropping weather instruments from our flight level to the surface, and our main mission in the storm is to fight to the eye of the hurricane, and once we get there, we're trying to locate the center, and we call that the fix. And once we find the fix, the exact center of the hurricane, we relay that information to the National Hurricane Center.
We all know hurricanes hit places like Florida and Louisiana, but what about Maryland? Can a hurricane strike here?
Yes, certainly routinely we get the remnants of hurricanes that hit somewhere else in the country and make their way up here as extremely heavy rains and flooding and other impacts. And every once in a while we'll get a tropical storm that makes landfall near the area, and every less frequent than that, we get actual direct impacts from hurricanes.
And if a hurricane comes to Maryland, knowing how to be prepared can keep you safe.
Having a family plan for what you're going to do in case there is a disaster in your community, being ready to be on your own and not being able to get what you normally might run out and get on a day-to-day basis, and being able to be self-sufficient for 2, 3, 4, sometimes even 7 days, just to make sure that your family and you are ready when that disaster hits.
Even in an El Nino year, you can have one storm on Earth. If it impacts you, it's a busy season. So you have to be ready, whether there's one storm or 30 storms.
It's been a while since we've had one. When we do get a hurricane landfall like Sandy was for New York, it's going to be extremely impactful, and it's going to be something we haven't seen here before.
In the end, preparing for dangerous storms could be life-saving. Listen to the warnings and follow directions to be ready. Because being prepared means being safe. Go to ready.gov to learn more about what you can do to be ready for severe storms.